I'm Aiden, I'm from Perth. I'm a second year here at MTA. When I came to MTA, I had a kind of aspiration to be in open wheelers. So right now I'm doing a lot of Oz F4 with one team in particular. So MTA has taken me overseas to New Zealand, where I was a number 2 mechanic on a team that was competing in the Toyota Racing Series, which are open wheel category. They're Formula 3 chassis, fully carbon, with a Toyota engine in them. We had a lot of European mechanics, drivers, engineers that came just to compete in that series. So it's a very high level championship. I was assisting mechanic as the number 2. So I managed the wheels, the tyres, the fueling, a lot of the aero setup. So over the short 6 weeks, I learnt a lot. It was a very physically exhausting, very short championship, but it was amazing. I learned a lot, especially with all of these European mechanics and engineers. It was an eye-opening experience, which I definitely brought a lot of that back to here. It was a perfect chance for me to make a lot of contacts from other countries, from Europe, which is where Formula cars are huge. That's the home area of those kinds of cars.